Hi everyone, my name is Karan Singh Madia. I am a programming enthusiast from Singapore and I'm delighted to introduce you to the KSM Logs channel. This is a YouTube channel where I will be making tutorials on a variety of programming concepts. And my purpose or my impetus for actually creating this channel is just to allow new people to get into programming in a manner that doesn't seem intimidating. When I was getting into programming, all the tutorials I found online seemed quite scary to me because from not having seen a line of code to being introduced to so much of jargon and just unrelated notation, I was quite taken aback. And this is why I decided to create this channel. I want to share my love for programming by introducing programming concepts in a manner as simple and as comprehensible as possible. So with that being said, let me show you all what different concepts I will be covering. So in the first tutorial, I plan on just showing you all how to get started with HTML, which is a tool that allows all of us to basically create websites and interactive websites. So in the first tutorial, I will show you how to make a really basic website with a heading, an image, and a simple button. Once we do that, we will move to the next tutorial where I will introduce you all to CSS, which is actually a tool that allows us to style our websites. So as you can see, this website looks a lot more beautiful, for lack of a better term, than the previous website on the page. And that is because I styled it using CSS. So that's what you all will learn. And it basically includes things like changing the color, changing borders of an image, changing the background color, styling your buttons, things like that. After this, we will move on to the third tutorial where I will actually show you how to get started with JavaScript, which is what enables us to make our websites interactive. So, as you can see in this short clip, as soon as I click this button, the image changed and so did the text. So this is what an interactive website actually means. When a user interacts with it, it changes the website. So this is what I will be showing you all in the third tutorial. In the fourth one, I will show you how to use classes to style in CSS. So classes allow us to shorten the amount of code we have to write. And as you can see in the screen, I have 10 almost boxes here, 5 of which look really similar and the other 5 look really similar. So instead of writing the code for 10 different boxes, I can use 2 different classes to only write 2 different pieces of code, one for each style. And this is what I will show you guys how to do in tutorial number 4. In the 5th tutorial, I will show you how to work with divs, which are basically just blocks of space in your computer. So I will show you how to use blocks for just providing you with a basic term, and I will show you how to make the American flag using these blocks. Then in the 6th tutorial, I will show you how to actually shorten the amount of code you have to write to make this flag using a tool known as Flex, which does a lot of designing for you. Then we will transition into tutorial 7, where I will show you how to redirect your website using JavaScript. So I will show you how to transition from one page to another page on your website using JavaScript. So this clip should give you an idea of how that would look. So as you can see, when I click the button, it took me to the second page. Now if I want to go to the third page, I will click another button and that will take me to the third page. So this is what the 7th tutorial will show you how to do. Then in the 8th tutorial, I will show you how to add lists to your website. There are various different types of lists you can add. For example, numbered lists or just circular lists, and I will show you how to work with them all. In the 9th tutorial, I will show you how to work with tables and how to add a table to your website. Then in the 10th tutorial, I will show you how to actually link your website to other websites, or how to link other websites to your website. And this is actually how it will work. So as you can see, if I click any of these links, they take me to the actual website of the link. So this is tutorial number 10. Tutorial number 11, I will show you how to actually create a basic login form using HTML and JavaScript. So as this clip shows you, this is what a general sign up form looks like, and I will show you how to allow a user to type something in and how you can store that information in your computer. So I typed in the username, I typed in the password, and the web page returned the user and password that I typed in. Then in tutorial number 12, I will show you how to get started with Java, which is different, and Java is something that is really useful in creating applications for Android, and I will just show you how to get started with basic Java concepts like declaring variables and the print statement. Then we will move on to tutorial number 13, which is a bit more advanced and where I will tie in a lot of the concepts we would have learned by now. So I will basically use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create an interactive calculator. So as you can see in this clip, we make a calculator that looks pretty good, works, and is interactive. So hopefully these examples have been helpful in providing you with an idea of the types of tutorials I'm going to make. If you have any suggestions, please comment down below. I would really appreciate it. And see you in my first ever tutorial. Thank you.